Can you throw them away? Apparently not. You like that? You like that? Uh-huh. Why are you trying to get down that way? There's not enough room on this side. Why don't you try it on the other side? No, that's the doggy's food. What? What do you want? Hey, don't be mean to the doggies. Stop being mean to them. Oh, are you bejoiling him? Are you making him pretty? Oh, he sat down. He wants some Spam. They look like little dinosaurs. They're so cute. Okay, let's go. We got Wawa sandwiches. He's coming over so he can get you because you're looking at his little babies. Lincoln, what are you doing? Aw, he got
get
down.
back in there, dude.
You better put that sass back in your pocket. Lincoln, 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 Lincoln. Hey! 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 Your 2 cents doesn't matter until you start talking. Hey! Real talks. Hey!
So you're gonna have to.
Here. Want to hold it? Come over here and I'll help you. No.
Come on, hold it, kid. Hold it.
Look at it.
Hey, do 2 spots. Look at Steph's. Hers is cooler. It's in 30 now.
No, don't do it.
He's this little scaredy cat. He'd rather play with the scooter. All done.
When it's dark out, that's the best time.
See?
to, like,
Here, do you want to hold this one?
No, don't hold it from that end.
These are tiny.
Here, hold it.
Hold it.
You gotta hold it nice and tight.
Hold
Here,
it up.
This. It's not on. It's not on. It's not lit.
It's not on.
Here.
We have to turn it on.
Nobody turned it on yet.
Well, don't get too close to it. Don't touch it.
Hot?
Hot.
That's it, Cassandra. You're done, huh?
No, I got something.
Done with the family.
I'm done with this. I'm going to play Bioshock. Oh, look. Oh, yes. Poke me. Ah!
Yeah.
Oh, no! No, don't hit.
Lincoln.
I guarantee he'll drop it once it lights.
Well, hold on. Come here. No, let it play. He's like that. Want to try?
What's with the covering his mouth?
Oh, it did.
He can't even ride a bike yet.
Here, put one on the ground and we'll run it over.
Ah!
Look at them ants eating that barbecue sauce. Let's run them over.
Okay, all done. How about you do it yourself?
Yeah, can you do it?
Yeah, right. She's like, oh, he's playing over.
Can you do it?
Here, put this leg down here. Like this, and then push. You gotta keep your other leg up there. He's too young for a scooter.
Lincoln, come here.
Wonder if this will hurt. Whoops.
You missed.
Yes, it
Lincoln,
does.
come here.
It doesn't. Dang it! I missed again. You should have got some fireworks that go up in the air.
I don't even know if they're allowed to have it in
They're
there.
probably going free. They're allowed in the state, so. You're not old enough to work a lighter.
Is this on?
Yep, it's child-proof. So.
Just hold the thing up and
You're not old
then
enough.
click it.
See, I told you.
No, you do it. Look.
Hold it up with your thumb and then click it.
Okay. Nope. Just push it. She can't light any kind of lighter. Don't put it so close to my face.
Hey, Lincoln.
Hey. Things are going on in this world.
You're the one who doesn't see the clown.
Want to hold it? No thanks. You guys are crazy. You can hold it.
I hope Batman doesn't fall.
Batman seems to stay in the same spot, so don't try to push Batman.
The lighter.
I do not.
Rub. I'll rub them together until they get hot enough to light up.
I dropped all mine.
This is how you light a sparkler.
You have to what?
Got a bug on your face. Yep, a little delayed reaction.
This package can only be sold as a package.
Not individually.
Not a lion.
Look at mine. Here, let mine, please.
I don't have a lighter no more.
Where was it this morning? Something like that.
Oh,
Is it
really?
fun?
Relight mine. I lost.
Don't touch it.
Hot.
Hot.
Hot and stabby.
Stabby.
Stab you.
Mr. Stabby, la 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 la.
What?
Want one?
I'm not sure.
Well, that's not even doing nothing.
I can't do two things at once.
There we go. Fine.
Take it.
Take it. Take the ticket. Take the ticket. Take it. Take it. Take the ticket.
Do it. Do it. Cowboy, do it.
Take it.
Take it.
He doesn't give in to peer pressure.
Take it.
Just like, I changed my
it,
mind.
Lincoln,
I don't want it anymore.
Take it. Take it.
Woo!
Jason's so cool.
Right.
Link.
These bikes are dangerous. They're vicious.
They bite
Pull
you.
one right on you. That's why we
They-
keep them locked up in the shed.
They
Come
attack you.
on. Come on.
Like Calvin's bike.
Here.
Yeah. Put that in your pie hole.
Ooh, that's cold, huh?
Here, hold it. It's yours.
Passenger shuts its cake hole.
Yeah,
Don't drop it, okay? You waste it.
I got it.
Oh, just
I got it, boy.
put your hand on it. Hi.
Have you ever read
Nope.
the rules about dogs?
There's rules.
For the dogs in the park. That
Oh.
if they're like, we love seeing you walking your dogs, but please remember they are not allowed to go potty in anybody else's yard.
Well,
Oh, well, okay.
Yeah, how are we
So
gonna
you want
stop
them to
them?
dump in the
I'm gonna
street?
tell them. Like that guy that walks around with that
Hooper scooper, but
Hooper
doesn't use
scooper,
it.
but never picks up his own dogs. I
He
have
walks
video
around
proof.
with the
Yeah, he walks around with, you know them things, it looks like this.
yeah.
Yeah, he walks around with one of those with his dog, but he never uses it.
He just wants
His
to
dog
look
poops,
like
and
he.
I've watched him. His dog poops, and he just walks away. Yeah,
He just likes to look like he's picking
he
it up.
looks like he's doing something. Chloe, you cannot come out here. You'll eat that little boy.
She's like, what is a little boy? All I see is a little monster thing that runs at me going, she might lick it.
She will lick it. Get his finger stuck in it so he can't move it.
What are you doing?
See right here. I can't move it. Lincoln, I'm going the wrong way.
Lincoln, look what you're making Uncle Jason do. What'd you do that for? You sabotager? Right here. I'm right here. Focus, camera. Focus. See him? Do you see him? See him? Wow. Wow.
How do you keep freaking turning the camera on, you turd? Stop turning the camera on. Dang nabbit! Stop taking pictures.
Dang nabbit.
Stop being so vain.
He's telling you.
You're just taking too many selfies. Yeah, taking too many selfies, buddy. Yeah, we're gonna have to call you the selfie king. Yeah, too many
Phone!
selfies.
Stop it! Dang nabbit!
I'm gonna have to put a coat on you.
I'm going to have to, man. I tell you. Alright, hey guys. Hope that everyone had a great 4th of July weekend. Now I know what you're all thinking. I know. My hair's looking pretty good today. I know. Yeah, no, that's it. I shaved because people thought I was old. I put it out there. Well, this is what's going on, guys. First of all, we tried to meet with Pastor Brian this week. Things didn't work out, 4th of July. We scheduled something, but we had to cancel just because schedules were crazy. We are going to meet with them hopefully this week. Then we'll be able to put some stuff in the blogs about the church. I know a lot of this stuff hasn't been too much about the church, but there's a lot of people in the church and you got to get permission and everything else. So it is taking a while, but it is going to happen. I promise you it is going to happen, okay?
And then the battery died. Hope you guys all had a good 4th of July. I'll have him finish his thoughts next week, I guess. You know what to do. Click on the links. Click them, click them, click them, click them, click them. And we'll see you all next week. Stay classy.